Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to this week's edition of Clearance Corner, where we are selling off at heavily discounted prices, clearance stock and end of roll stock. So let me take you through what we've got available this week, but remember, get in quick because once this stock is gone, it's gone. This fabric is called Uluru and it's made in Wangaratta, Victoria. This fabric is called Broom. It's got a beautiful organic texture and it's made in Victoria. This range here is called Duo Block and it features this beautiful tonal colour backing. Another beautiful Australian made fabric called Daintree. This one does have a white coloured backing. This is a fabric called Barley, which is part of our current range, but this version features a grey back. So this fabric is called Barley and the colour is Iron. So this is the light filter family of roller blind fabrics and this range is called Belize. The ever popular Mantra light filter roller blind fabric. So part of the sunscreen roller blind family, this one's called St. Lucia and we've got white and ivory. This is a sunscreen roller blind fabric called Clearview and it has a 10% openness factor. We've got bright white and black. Part of the sunscreen roller blind fabric, again, it's a beautiful fine weave. It's called Southport. This blockout curtain fabric is called Halifax and it features this beautiful, very subtle herringbone pattern. Australian made blockout curtain fabric called Broom. Sheer curtain fabric now called Verona. This sheer curtain fabric is called Sabre. So there's three beautiful white sheer curtain fabrics here, slightly different in texture. We've got snow, mist and white. Beautiful dark colour sheer curtain fabric called Prague. So I always love the heavy weight of this fabric. It's called Amur. Mystique is a beautiful crushed linen finish. It looks gorgeous.